everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are looking at how to do a single crochet two together, or the decrease stitch for single crochet. To begin, insert your hook into the next stitch, then yarn over and pull through. That'll leave 2 loops on the hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch, then yarn over and pull through, and that leaves 3 loops on the hook. And then yarn over and pull through 3. So let's look at that one more time and then we'll look at it slowed down. So that's insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 3. So now let's slow it down and go through each of the steps. We're going to insert our hook into the next stitch. We're then going to yarn over and pull through, and that leaves 2 loops on the hook. We're going to insert our hook into the following stitch, then we're going to yarn over and pull through. This will leave us with 3 loops on the hook. We then yarn over and pull through those 3 loops. And that completes one single crochet 2 together, or a decrease stitch. I have a lot more information about this stitch at my blog, including written directions and a photo tutorial. I'll put the link in the description below. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.